If you're looking for an easy way to share videos during Livestorm webinars, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to share videos seamlessly in your live webinars using Livestorm, so you can engage your audience more effectively and create a better experience for everyone involved. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll also be sharing how you can get Livestorm for free with some exclusive bonuses. Now let's dive into it. First off, the process of sharing videos in Livestorm is super simple. After you've scheduled your webinar and entered the live event room, look for the Share button at the bottom of the screen. This button allows you to share your screen, media files, or even an entire application. But here's the key when sharing videos. Livestorm offers you the ability to share both video files and media from external sources like YouTube or Vimeo. If you're uploading a video from your computer, select the Share Screen option and then choose the window or the application where your video file is open. Make sure your video is ready to go. Livestorm will allow you to share the window as you play the video. This means your audience will see the video in real time with your voice and any live actions you take. You can adjust the audio settings here to ensure that the video's sound is clear for everyone. Another option is sharing YouTube or Vimeo videos directly into the webinar. To do this, click on the Present button in the toolbar and select External Content. From here, you can add a link to any video you want to share. This method also ensures that the video's quality and audio stay intact with no lag. One thing to note here is that when you're sharing a video, especially if it's pre-recorded content, you need to make sure it aligns with your webinar's flow. Sharing videos during a live session is a great way to engage your audience and offer valuable insights, but don't overdo it. You want the video to support your message, not take over your entire presentation. Keep it concise. You also have some control over how you share the video. Livestorm allows you to toggle between sharing the entire screen, a specific application, or just a browser window. This makes it flexible for different video sharing scenarios. For a smoother experience, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Video streaming during live webinars demands a good amount of bandwidth, so keep that in mind when planning your session. As a bonus, Livestorm lets you control what your attendees see and hear. You can mute or unmute the video's audio, pause it, or even stop the sharing at any moment. If you need to jump back into your presentation after a video, you can seamlessly switch from video sharing back to your slides or talking head without any disruptions. Now here's the best part. You can use Livestorm for free. By clicking the first link in the description below, you'll get an extended free trial along with exclusive bonuses to help you make the most out of your webinars. Whether you're hosting a small session or a large-scale event, Livestorm provides you with everything you need to share videos and interact with your audience smoothly. And don't forget, if you're just starting with Livestorm and want to explore the full features, using this link gives you a risk-free trial to play around with all the webinar tools, including video sharing. To wrap it up, now you know exactly how to share videos during Livestorm webinars. Whether it's a YouTube link, a Vimeo video, or a file from your own computer, sharing content on Livestorm is a breeze. Remember, use the link below for a free trial to start hosting your next webinar today. Happy hosting, and I'll see you in the next video.